Hi, my name is Lorraine de Silva, and I am an actor and a student at HB Studio. So, since the studio closed its doors almost 6 months ago due to the pandemic, I think it's safe to say that the artistic community and everyone really as a whole is feeling pretty isolated, and that's why I think that it's more important now than ever before to stay connected to your fellow artists, your peers, your friends. And I have a couple of favorite ways to go about this. Number one is to just call up my friends and collaborate and just throw ideas together. Put our voices and our imaginations together, create something new that's about us and our stories. And yes, it's gonna be through Zoom or FaceTime, and it's not the same as meeting up in person and being able to touch each other. But I think you'd be surprised by just how connected and intimate you can get over a Zoom call. I think that you can get pretty connected with a fellow stranger, honestly. It's like inviting someone into your home. When you're talking to each other from the comfort of your own home, it's like you're inviting them to see a part of you that they wouldn't be able to see otherwise. So I think that's really cool. That actually leads me to my second favorite way to connect with my peers, and that's by taking a class. Um, I think a classroom, whether it be physical or virtual, is a great space to try something new, or to learn something new, or to reinforce the fundamentals that you already know, or all of the above. So I think if you haven't tried either of those things, I challenge you to try either or both. I challenge you to do both of those things. I want you to call up your friends, put your heads together, and make something that you want to say to the world. And also take a class, learn something new, try it out. It can be any kind of class, honestly. It doesn't have to be an acting class. It can be a cooking class or a writing class or a painting class. It can be anything you want. And I think that during a time of such isolation, we can take comfort in each other, even though it's virtual, and we can make something beautiful. Thank you for listening.